Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's date is 1 February 2024. Today's my technical topic is access modifier in Java programming language. First of all, what are the access modifiers? That which are helps to restrict the scope of a class, constructor, variables, method, or a data members of our code. It provides the security, accessibility, etc. Next is types of access modifier in Java. There are basically four types of access modifier in Java programming language. First is default, next is private, and next is protected, and last one is public. I will discuss one by one all four access modifier in Java. Firstly, default access modifier. When no access modifier is specified for a class, method, or a data members, it is said to be having default access modifier by the default. The data members or a class, variables, methods that are not declared using any access modifier, that we can say that data members having a default access modifiers. It's the next is the accessibility of the default access modifier is accessible only within the same package. Next types of access modifier, that is private access modifier. The private access modifiers is specified using the keyword that is private. The method or a data members declare as a private that are accessible only within the class, that are declared within that particular class. The accessibility of the private member is restricted than the other access modifiers. Next is protected access modifier. The protect access modifiers is specify the using keyword that is protected. If the methods or data members declare as a protected, then the accessibility is that within the same package or subclasses of the different packages. It is the accessibility of the protected access modifier. Next is last one, that is public access modifier. It is the public access modifier is the specified using the keyword that is public keyword. When we declare any data member of a class using public keyword, then that is accessed within the widest scope and among the all access modifier, classes, methods, or data members that are declared as a public, then that are accessible from the everywhere in the program. It is the accessibility of the public access modifier. The accessibility of the public access modifier is the wide range and anywhere from the program. Next is I will discuss one example of a protected access modifier. For example, we have created two packages, that is package A and package B. Then the class of package A is public, then so can we access from the outside of the package, but the method of a message this package declare as a protected, then it cannot be accessed from the outside of the package. It is the one of the best example of the access modifier, protected access modifier in Java. So it is all about the access modifier in Java programming language. Thank you.